Carnitas, literally little meats, is a dish of Mexican cuisine originating from the state of Michoacán. Carnitas are made by braising or simmering pork in oil or preferably lard until tender. The process takes 3 or 4 hours and the result is very tender and juicy meat, which is then typically served with chopped coriander leaves and diced onion, salsa, guacamole, tortillas, and refried beans. Description: pork carnitas are traditionally made using the heavily marbled, rich Boston butt, or picnic ham cuts of pork. The 6 16-pound sections are usually cut down to a workable size and seasoned heavily before slow braising or deep frying. The traditional way to cook carnitas is in a copper pot, which disperses the heat evenly in a process very much reminiscent of comfort. Lard is used to cover the dish in proportion to the amount of meat being cooked. Once the lard has melted, pork and flavorings are added. Traditional carnitas are then made by a process of simmering the meat in the lard until tender over a very low heat. Once appropriate tenderness is achieved, the heat is turned up and the outside of the pork begins to crisp. At this stage, the collagen in the meat has broken down sufficiently to allow it to be pulled apart by hand or fork or chopped with a cleaver. The meat can then be used as an ingredient in tamales, tacos, tortas, and burritos. See also: cochinita pibil, pulled pork, rausong, list of Mexican dishes. References. External links: Carnitas recipe.